Mama's about to confit some chicken legs with my favorite multi-purpose olive oil by Altlas. Chef's kiss. Let's get started. And into the oven. It's been 3 hours. Oh yeah. Time to broil for about 10 minutes. You didn't think I was just gonna throw this away, did you? Look at that, that's so pretty. Bon appetit, time to eat. Holy moly, look at that, falling off the bone. Holy that's insane. I would never steer you wrong. Check out this brand. Thank you so much, Altlas, for making this video possible, sending me more of my favorite oils so I could make that magic happen.